Hello, this is Amanda with NCTI, and today I'd like to show facilitators how to use our new Crossroads pre- and post-testing website. Upon login, you will first see the Classes tab, which will show you all of your in-progress and upcoming classes that you are scheduled to facilitate. You will only see classes that you are scheduled for. Below, take a look at our first class here. It says it's in progress. It started today. You can verify the curriculum that is being covered in the class, and you can also see the unique class identifier. When you click on this, it will take you to the class page where you can see the full information about the location of the training, as well as some important information that could be useful upon your arrival at the location. On this page, you are able to edit the class. So if you go into the edit function, you are able to change who is the primary facilitator. You're able to add a secondary facilitator if needed. You can change the start and end date of the class, the number of expected participants. You can cancel the class, or you can add a reason for rescheduling the class if that's what you have done. And finally, you can change the location information for the class. We have included a function called the class cover sheet. This cover sheet is a printable page that you can take with you to the class location to give you all of that important information. Or you can print it out and include it with your pre and post test as you give them to your administrator after the class is finished. The next thing that you'll want to do in your class page is to manage your roster. If you have the names of your students before the class starts, you can enter them here along with a unique ID, and if you press save, you will see that it adds it to the list below. You cannot edit this list, but if you find a mistake, or if you want to remove someone from the list, you can delete it here, and then add the next person on at the top. Another function that we've added to help you is a printable roster, which you can use as an attendance sheet. You can add the date here, check off who has attended. This isn't required for the system, it's just an added feature if that is useful for you. Let's go back to the class page. Now, as you're getting ready to print your pre and post test, you have a couple of options. You can choose to print the pre-test with that roster information. You'll see here, it tells you it's the pre-test, it's got the curriculum, the unique class ID, the facilitator, and the first student name and student unique ID that was on my roster. There will be one test with each person who is on the roster. You might choose to print the pretest without that roster information. And if you choose that option, it will leave those blank. You can do the same with the post test. You can see here that you have the post test, and you can verify that it's the same class and my roster information is included. Or again, I can print that without the roster if I would rather have the participants write their information in. This concludes what you can do with the class page. If you need any help, we have a page for frequently asked questions. There is a facilitator user manual included on this page, which contains screenshots and detailed information of what you can do on the site, and as well as the frequently asked questions that we are aware of. If there's anything that's not included here, you are free anytime to contact us, and we will help walk you through the item that you are trying to complete. Thank you very much for joining me, and we wish you luck.